Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Bluemarble Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Bluemarble Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to app.bluemarblepayroll.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Bluemarble. There, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Bluemarble Payroll. To make login easier for next time, you can click to Remember Me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to I forgot my password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.